Good morning, good morning. It is Marla, bright and early with her giant mug of coffee. And this is going to be a get ready with me using some great products. Some of the new products I'm going to be using in this video are from PUR, the Complexion Authority, because I really think their products, at least the products I've tried so far, are great. Before I get started with this get ready with me, I am going to make sure I have a very smooth surface to work with, and that is where this product from PUR comes in. This is the PUR Joystick. This product was sent to me from PUR The Complexion Authority for my honest review. I love this stick. I actually have used this stick before. I've bought it several times. It's one of my favorite exfoliating sticks. It really makes your skin smoother and brighter, and when your skin is exfoliated and you get all those dead skin cells off, your skin really does look healthier and younger looking. And this is a deep pore cleansing stick. This is an all-in-one cleanser, exfoliator, and toner. It foams on contact, and then it instantly draws out any dirt and oil and impurities that are in your pores. And the way it does it is with the ingredients charcoal and Moroccan lava clay. This is suitable for all skin types, but it really is formulated for skin that is congested or acne prone. So all I do is wet my face and then just massage this all over with the joystick. And then once I'm done putting the joystick all over my face, I actually massage it in with my fingertips. The key ingredients in the PUR Joystick are Moroccan lava clay and charcoal. That helps remove impurities, including excess oil from the skin, and it also helps reduce the appearance of pores over time. It also contains the key ingredient lavender flower water, which helps soothe the skin, and jojoba seed extract, which helps replenish the skin with moisture. Like I said before, I have used this joystick from PUR before, bought it myself many times. This little stick lasted me a very long time. I love the convenience of having it in the stick form. All I have to do is dampen my face, rub it all over my face, rinse my face, and then my face is super smooth and radiant. The dead skin cells have been removed from my face, and it really gives my skin a beautiful surface to apply my foundation. Now that my skin is nice and smooth, we are going to start with this get ready with me. After I do an exfoliation of my skin, I like to put a couple drops of this Trophy Skin Argan Stem Cell Serum on my face. I really like this serum. I bought it after I got the Trophy Skin Exfoliator, the handheld little gadget that I've really enjoyed. And I bought the serum from their website. I really have enjoyed it. It really makes my skin so soft and smooth. It's supposed to have age-defying ingredients that are supposed to soothe and rejuvenate the skin. Really do like it. It makes my skin super hydrated and feel very soft. The next product I'm going to use is a product I haven't used in a while, and it's from the company 100% PUR. It is their Luminous primer. This primer has vitamins and antioxidants in it. It also has resveratrol. I'm going to leave all the information for all the products I'm using in this Get Ready With Me down in the description box with all the shades that I am using also. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. This is my eye lift concealer because after I use it, it makes my eyes look like I've just had an eye lift. It brightens my eyes. It just makes them look like they've been lifted up. I just love this concealer for priming my lids, and it's nice and pasty. It reminds me a little bit of the MAC paint pots. For my eyeshadow, I am going to use a product that was sent to me from PUR The Complexion Authority for my review. This is the PUR Pro Etienne Eye Shadow palette. I cannot tell you how beautiful these eyeshadows are. I don't know where this palette has been all my life. This palette was made in collaboration with the celebrity hair and makeup artist Etienne Ortega. Etienne partnered with PUR to curate a PUR Pro eyeshadow palette collection. These shadows in here are really glamorous. They work on every skin tone. You can use a very light touch and get a very natural look, or you can smoke them out and get a very sultry, beautiful, blendable look. They blend beautifully. Every color in here is a color that I would use. I love all of them. The palette features 18 shades. They are very buildable shades, and I appreciate that. I prefer to kind of build up my eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette is perfect for someone like me who likes more blendable, buildable shadows. It has warm nudes. It has very subtle shimmers, nothing glittery. It has cool, ultra matte shades. It is a palette you will reach for every day, and that is what makes a great palette for me. So I'm going to speed this up, but let me tell you what I used on my eyes. In my crease, I used the shade Popular, and then I darkened the outer area of my crease in the corner of my eye with Lola. And then I took the shade 1988 and went over some of the edges just to make sure everything looked like it was completely blended out nicely. I then mixed a little bit of Legend with the shade Popular and put that all over my lid. I added just a touch of Xenon to the crease also. And then I put just a little bit of Stripped on my brow bone. And also a little bit in the corner of my eye. So I can't rave about this eyeshadow palette any more than I think I already did. It is a great eyeshadow palette. I would definitely spend the money and my own money on it. I was so impressed with how beautifully everything blended. I use every color in the palette. There's not one color that I don't use. Thank you, PUR. To make my eyelashes look a little bit thicker, I am tight lining my upper eye with this eyeliner from Iris Beauty. I really like it. It has a very nice felt tip, and it's lasted me a really long time. I really have enjoyed this eyeliner. I know I talked about my heated eyelash curler in one of my videos. This is from Chella. I love this eyelash curler. It is so nice. All you do is turn it on, and within about 25 seconds, it's nice and warm, but it doesn't burn your eyes. It curls my eyelashes really well and keeps them up all day. And I just go over my eyelashes probably about 3 times to make sure they're curled up the way I want them before I apply one of my favorite mascaras. And my favorite mascara at this very moment is from Thrive Causemetics. I love this mascara. It makes my eyelashes look so long. It does thicken them a little bit also. It's a tubing mascara. It stays on all day. It doesn't really flake on me and comes off really easily at night. This is right now currently my #1 mascara that I use. So to speed this up, I'm going to go off camera, do my other eye, and I will be right back. Now it's time to apply my foundation. I'm going for a natural look today, so I didn't put a heavy amount of eyeshadow on my eyelids. I would have to say my favorite foundations for my mature skin are a combination of what I'm doing right now, which is putting Physicians Formula Healthy Skin in my kind of T-zone area right in the center of my face. And then on the outer area of my face, I apply my MAC HD, which is in a slightly darker shade. When I put those two together, it really gives me a flawless base. It looks so pretty on my skin. The other foundation I like is Bobbi Brown's Serum Foundation. That's another foundation I think that looks beautiful on my mature skin. This next concealer is a new to me concealer. It is from PUR The Complexion Authority. It is their Shake and Bake concealer. It is a powder to cream concealer. Basically, it goes on as a powder and melts into your skin like a cream. So a really interesting product. I wanted to test it out on my kind of dry under eye area. I have mature skin with lines, so we'll see how this powder to cream concealer works. I got the shade medium. It was, for my olive skin, maybe just a touch lighter than I normally use, but it really did work out fine for me anyway. I tried to use it with this little sponge that PUR sent me. This is supposed to be the applicator sponge that you apply the powdered concealer with, but I didn't find this to be very helpful. When I used it to apply the concealer, it just didn't spread it really smoothly under my under eye area. What I did instead was I just dabbed out a little bit of the concealer on one of my brushes that I use under my eye area, and it worked out beautifully. And the beauty of this concealer is that everything is done in one step. You apply the concealer, it melts into your skin, it masks your dark circles and any of your imperfections, and it also sets it so you don't have to apply a powder afterwards. The translucent powder is built into the formula of this concealer, which I think is really cool, and it's supposed to mask your dark circles, any blemishes, and the result should be a smooth and creaseless finish. It should last for hours, and it should not settle into fine lines. And I found this to be a very beautiful, lightweight concealer. If you have mega dark circles, I'm not sure how this would work for you, but it did make my under eye area look very young and fresh. I did not find that it creased on me at all. Really enjoyed this powder to cream concealer, actually more than I thought I was going to enjoy it. Right now I'm just speeding up my eyebrow application. What I'm using on my eyebrows is the PUR Sculpt-A-Brow. I showed you this, I think, in one of my last videos. The color I'm using on my lids is light, which is not a good color for me, but I'm going to use the pomade in that product up first, and then I plan on buying one of the Sculpt-A-Brows from PUR myself in the medium shade. I really have enjoyed using that product from them. And then to darken my eyebrows just a little bit more, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I have to say I am not a fan of the NYX eyebrow pencil. I just find it a little stiffer than my Anastasia Beverly Hills, but that's just my own personal opinion. And then to set my eyebrows, I use some of my Cherry Bloom's Fiber Brow. I really like this. When I put this on my eyebrows stay on all day. I don't have to worry about losing them by the end of the day. Gonna do my other brow, and I will be right back. I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit. This is probably my favorite bronzer right now, and it is the one from Colorescience. I love Colorescience products. Anytime they want me to do a sponsored video, I would love to do one. So if anybody's listening from Colorescience, here I am, ready to go. I love their products. I love all their sunscreens. And this Santa Fe bronzer makes your skin just look gorgeous. The blush I just applied is from L'Oreal Paris. It is their Visible Lift Radiance Cheek Duo. Really like that. And then I also applied some of the IT Cosmetics Airbrush Perfecting Powder in my T-zone area. And I wanted a little bit more blush, so I added some Nars Orgasm on top of the other blush. And then to make my cheeks really pop, look a little dewy and wet, I love this product from MAC. It is their MAC Strobe Cream. I believe that's the name of it. I will list it down in the description box. Really makes my cheeks look beautiful. Let me just quickly put my hoop earrings on, and now I'm going to apply this lipstick, and I really love this lipstick. This is from the Desi Katie collection. It's the only thing I bought from the collection from Dose of Colors. Saw this lipstick and I knew I would love it. It's a nude. It's called Hey Girl, goes on beautifully, and then to top it off and give it a little bit of a glistening glow, always apply my Becca. Forget the name of this topper, but I will put the Becca lip gloss down in the description box. It makes every lipstick look gorgeous. So that is my very natural look using some great new products. Really appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye from Marla.